Negotiation isn't just for boardrooms or hostage situations, it's a skill we all use daily. From salary discussions to resolving conflicts, Voss's Never Split the Difference offers practical strategies to win negotiations without compromising relationships. Let's dive into the core lessons and how you can apply them in your life. Core principles of Never Split the Difference. Understand and acknowledge the other person's perspective. Voss explains that by validating their feelings, you can build trust and guide the conversation. Identify and verbalize the emotions you observe in the other party. For example, say, "It seems like you're frustrated," to diffuse tension and show understanding. Contrary to popular belief, hearing "no" isn't the end, it's the beginning. It creates a sense of safety and opens the door to deeper conversations. Repeat the last few words the other person said in a curious tone. This simple technique encourages them to elaborate and helps you gain more information. Ask open-ended questions like, "How can we solve this problem together?" These questions shift the focus to collaboration and problem-solving. Communication is more than words. Tone and body language play a huge role. Be mindful of how you present yourself and the emotions you convey. Applying Never Split the Difference to real life. Use tactical empathy and calibrated questions to negotiate deals, resolve workplace conflicts, or ask for a raise. Mirror your partner's concerns and label their emotions to strengthen understanding and improve communication. From buying a car to negotiating your cable bill, these techniques help you stay in control and achieve favorable outcomes. Key takeaway lessons. 1. Negotiation is about collaboration, not confrontation. 2. Building trust and understanding emotions are more powerful than aggressive tactics. 3. Every conversation is an opportunity to create value for both parties. Conclusion with call to action. Voss's Never Split the Difference teaches us that negotiation is both an art and a science. By using empathy, communication techniques, and strategic thinking, you can achieve win-win outcomes in any situation. What's one negotiation technique you're excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more strategies to master life and business.